Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 47 or 9 matches over market for you. Let's get started. Before we move on, kindly share this video. It's very important you share this video so that your friends will also benefit from it. And also like the video, hit the like button and share with us where you're watching us from in the comment section. The first game we have today is a game in the Belgium Super League women. A game between Femina White Star taking on Sporting, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Romania, where FC Faro Constanta is taking on ACS Sepsi, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Next one we have is in Estonia, where Nome Kajo is taking on Tachu JK, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to the next game in the Poland amateur division, where NKP Karina Gubin is taking on Unia Tasa, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is still in that Poland amateur, where Sweet Novi is taking on MK, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Israel Super League, where Maccabi Kobilo Jaffa is taking on Okwa, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. I want to say congratulations to all our VIP subscribers. It's been back to back winning for the past few days. If you want to join our VIP platform, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. It's not free, it's not pay after, it's a paid service. Okay, moving on, we have another game in Israel Super League, where Okwa Ironi Kayad is taking on Okwa Nov Igali, and my prediction here is over under 3.5 goals rather. Then the next one we have is a game in the Brazil under 20, where Villa Operia is taking on Tupa FC SPM, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to the next game between RC Lens taking on FC Lorient, over 2.5 goals in the French League One. So that is all we have for today. Total of 9 matches, 47 also. Bet responsibly, and I will see you guys after the match. Here is the booking code for those people using Sportybet.